said, it's you versus you.
Lance is a former professional baseball player with the Seattle Mariners organization.
I didn't pray for this. I didn't pray to be up here to speak when I was 10 years old.
University of Minnesota D1 athlete, Teammate of the Year award recipient, 2 times author, and keynote speaker for thousands of students nationwide.
You can break it. You can change your family's lineage. You can change your legacy. But you got to start telling a different story, my friends.
Corporate teams, faith-based organizations, and locker rooms across the SEC, Big 12, and Big 10 conferences.
I prayed to be a major leaguer, and I got planted so deep. He needed to plant me in that rehab facility for 3 years in order for me to become the person I was supposed to become. Because what I believe is all of you have been planted, you've not been buried.
Lance did one of the best jobs that I've personally seen. It's one of the strongest messages that I've heard, and I've heard a lot of them.
I so appreciate the experiences Lance has and the experiences he shares that breathes hope into people and inspiration into people.
It was really good. I think it was the best thing for me hearing that.
Now I want you to remember that at one point, when you were first born, there was somebody saying that about you. Somebody said, this baby's perfect. And there's a reason it took 9 months for you to be born. That's how special and unique that you are. There's a refinement process that happens when you build a knife or you build a sword. It's gotta be whacked, right? It's gotta go through the fire, right? It's gotta hit another piece of iron, right? It's gotta be burned.
Lance did a very good job at drawing from his own personal experience in a way that was relatable.
Because when I know that I'm worthy and I can see other people as worthy, I know that there's another level within me. And I don't need to chase something to grab worth and value.
You're like the first speaker I've ever actually felt something from. I felt like something released off my chest. And I was just excited for our next one.
You are already a blessing. You are already fearfully and wonderfully made. You are already whole. You are already loved. You are already born to live. You are already meant for this life. If you don't think that you're supposed to be here, you're flat wrong. You've been listening to the devil. You've been listening to lies.
Right? Self-limiting beliefs ran in your family until it ran into you. You know you're more than the titles and labels that people give you.
At this moment, I'm gonna fight. And whether I'm dead or alive, people are gonna remember that I fought.
Strength is not about how much you can pull. It's not about how much you can push. Strength is about how much you can hold on to and not let go.
Turmoil is coming my way because I'm an issue for the enemy.
Some of you think you've been buried, you've been forgotten, you've been lost. You haven't been buried. I need you to change your mindset that you've been planted. And when you get planted deep like I was, you get planted with pain, you get planted with strife, you get planted with turmoil, you get planted with stress. That's developing you a deep root system. And if you can develop a deep root system with Jesus, it will never be upheavaled. You will never go back to the old person that you used to be. No. I didn't come up out of the ground as a major leaguer. I came up out of that ground as a major believer. A major believer in you, a major believer in me, and a major believer in Jesus, the one most high, the true king, the one that has rule over this campus. He's got rule over this world. He's got rule over your life.